Hey guys, how's it going tonight? Welcome back to Bay Box Breaker. Here's tonight's break on Artifacts 2010-2011 hockey. Box number on this one is 90088114. There you go. Just watching the games there now. It's 0-0 Nashville, Detroit, and 4-3 Florida, shockingly over New Jersey. 9:02 April 17th. 9:02 April 17th. So we'll get into it. Thanks again for your bids, guys. Hopefully have some luck tonight because we did have a really good night last night. If you didn't get a chance to look at the videos or didn't participate in the break, check them out because we got a few really nice hits. So this is 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. There's 5 packs, and the next 5 packs. Okay, first pack. We got Tyler Bozak, base for the Leafs. Patrick Marleau, base for San Jose. The base, Dion Phaneuf for Toronto. Decoy, we got our first hit here. This is Jerome Iginla, 9/50. It's a parallel emerald. Jerome Iginla. The Calgary Flames. Next pack. Sid the Kid Crosby, base. Oh, grab 2 there. Duncan Keith, base for Chicago. Cam Ward, base for Carolina. The Decoy. And we have our first rookie. I'm just going to see if we can adjust the light here. It seems like it's got a bit of a... Hopefully that's better. First rookie, $8.99 for Carolina. Jerome Sampson. Jerome Sampson for Carolina. Next pack. I ordered a case of Crown Royal today, so I should be starting that up hopefully by the weekend. Ryan Kessler, a base. Shane Doan, base for Phoenix. Evander Kane for Winnipeg. Got ourselves a Decoy. Then we have another rookie here. $37 and $9.99. Grant Klitzum for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Grant Klitzum. Yeah, so as I was saying, I ordered a case of Crown Royal. Hopefully I get that in the next couple days, next 2 days preferably. And I'll start up with the Crown Royal as well as the 2 products that I'm already featuring. We're getting low on this. I think this is box 11, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Brandon Dubinsky, base. Corey Perry, base. Wow, this next one is sick. Did I say Corey Perry? I was too busy looking at the other card. This is Carey Price, sorry, for Montreal. John Tavares. Marty Brodeur, base. And here we go. This guy got an outstanding goal a couple weeks ago. It was featured all over all the sports highlights. 21 of 25 for the Ottawa Senators. Jason Spezza. This is a Frozen Artifacts. So there's a sick looking patch, gold and black patch at the bottom, as well as a black one up top. Camera certainly does not do it justice, but it's a nice looking card, man. So that's Jason Spezza for the Ottawa Senators. 21 of 25 Frozen Artifacts. Nice hit. Next pack. Milan Lucic, base. Base, Marty St. Louis. Yeah, another Decoy, and here we have another hit. This one's 48 of 150. It's for the Winnipeg Jets. Evander no relation to Holyfield. Kane. Evander Kane, double jersey. Nice hit. This sounds like a boxer though, eh? Plays like one too. Shea Weber, base. Antti Niemi, base. Ilya Kovalchuk, base. Decoy, and we have a Wild Redemption. This is number 239. Not sure who it is, but it'll go to the team who they purchased. So it's Redemption number 239. And if you do know who that is, let me know so I can mail it out easier. Otherwise, I'll just look it up. So it's 239 wild card. Next pack. Nick Backstrom, base. Oh, nice signature coming up. Mikko Koivu, base for the Wild. Joe Pavelski, base for the Sharks. Decoy. And one of the best young blue liners in the game. Auto for the St. Louis Blues, Alex Pietrangelo. Alex Pietrangelo. Very nice. Three packs remaining. Really nice looking box so far. That Pecorino, I just watched him out of the game. Unbelievable goaltender. Corey Perry, a base for the Ducks. The Decoy. Got Andrei Markov for Montreal, base. Matt Duchene, base. Then we have a hit for the Carolina Hurricanes, 655 and 999. It's Artifact Star, number 12, Eric Stahl. Artifact Star. So that's two hits, a rookie and the Artifact Star for Carolina. Not bad for a couple bucks. What's next here? We got Spezza, base for Ottawa. Henrik Lundqvist, base. You got a Decoy. You got an Anze Kopitar, base. You have another hit here. This is for the Colorado Avalanche, 473 and 999. Mr. Matt Duchene, Artifact Star, Matt Duchene. Last pack. Let's get a good one here. We got Henrik Zetterberg, base. Jonas Gustafsson, base. Big fat Decoy, and we got another hit here. It looks like a good one. 66 of 125. It's double jersey, Vancouver and the Predators. Vancouver being on the left, so it's Roberto Luongo on the left and JP Dumont on the right. It's a blue and black jersey. So it'll be a Vancouver hit because Vancouver is on the left side of the card as well as on the back top. So congratulations. Really, really nice box. So this is 66 to 125. We got Bobby Lou and Dumont. We got the Iginla parallel for Calgary. Very, very nice auto. Alex Pietrangelo for St. Louis Blues. Two hits for Carolina, for Carolina. Eric Stahl, Artifact Star, and the Jerome Sampson rookie. We got a rookie for the Jackets, Grant Klitzum. We got the Wild rookie, 239 redemption. Wild card, not Minnesota Wild. Matt Duchene, Artifact Star. Evander Kane, double blue jersey. Nice hit for Winnipeg. Now we have this sick looking Spezza, 21 of 25 patch. A double patch. Very, very nice. So thanks again. I did put a box up. Starts tomorrow night at about just before 8, so about 7:45 p.m. Eastern Time. I have the artifacts listed, followed up by the captaincy. So thanks again, and we'll catch you tomorrow night, guys. Enjoy the playoffs.